Himanshi ma'am. Today is video lesson number 2 for the poem I Can't Remember. Well, isn't the title a little strange to you? Why is the title I Can't Remember? Well, actually this is so because the speaker of our poem is an elderly lady. Okay, she's basically the age of your grandmother and she talks about her experiences of being an old person. What all things they have, what all problems they have, what all they do, all these things she explains in a funny way through this poem. So let's continue with the discussion. In the previous video lesson, we have just done the introduction of this poem. And today onwards, we will continue with the same poem. Okay? I hope you will watch it properly. You will pay attention. And one more thing. Listen to the discussion with your heart. Because it's a really heartwarming poem about an old person. Okay? And after the video, don't forget to complete your home assignments. Okay? But wait. Who is going to like, share, subscribe? Me or you? Well, that is going to be you. So, quickly, like, share, subscribe. Done. Now, time to pay attention on your screens.
Okay, everyone. Chapter 7, I Can't Remember, Poem. Poet Anonymous. Please note down all the details in your fair registers. Now, let's find out what the speaker is telling us through this poem. Explanation of the poem. We will discuss the poem stanza by stanza, or you can also call it as nutshell of the poem. Stanza 1. The speaker begins by telling that she is simply passing her days being alive, but mostly she feels close to the dead. Basically, the speaker is saying that she feels very old now and she doesn't feel very lively or young like others. With her growing age, she has become forgetful and easily gets confused. The speaker also tells us that because of her old age, her memory has become poor. She forgets the things on daily basis, which makes her feel confused all the time. Second stanza. She has got health issues such as arthritis, dentures, and bifocal lenses. She misses being able to use her own mind. She feels very dependent on these things. Now, the speaker is telling us that in her old age, she has got various kinds of health issues. She has got arthritis, which is a problem of joint pain in your body. Then dentures, which means she's having artificial teeth, and bifocal lenses in her spectacles. So she tells us that she feels very dependent on all these things now and she misses being young and healthy, especially using her own mind in the right way without the need of any kind of medicines. I'm sure when you all will observe your grandparents or any other old person near you, you will see them facing these same kinds of problems. Stanza 3. She now has such a poor memory that when she stands at the foot of the stairs, she forgets whether she has climbed down or she has to go upstairs. Now in this stanza, she is sharing her problems which she faces on daily basis. One such problem is climbing the stairs. Whenever she stands close to them, she feels very confused and is unable to decide whether she has to go upstairs or if she has just climbed downstairs. Stanza 4. In this stanza, she gives another example of how she feels confused all the time. When she opens the door of her refrigerator, she feels completely lost and confused that whether she has put something inside or she has taken something out. I am sure after listening to this part of the poem, you can easily understand why the poet has used the title I Can't Remember for this poem. as this title is very apt for this poem because throughout the stanzas, the speaker is again and again putting emphasis on the fact that because of her old age, she has got a very weak memory and she simply can't remember the silly and easy things regarding daily life. So everyone, let's continue with the discussion of the stanzas in the next video lesson. Till then, home assignment number 2 for all of you. Read the stanzas side by side with the video lessons. Find the meaning of the following words and note down in your fair registers. Next, frame sentence with the following words. I hope you will be able to do this home assignment with ease. Okay everyone, now I will see you all in the next video lesson where we will find out more details about the problems faced by the speaker, especially due to her old age. We will also discover how much she loves her grandchildren and the message which she gives for her grandchildren through this poem. Till then, take care everyone. Bye-bye. See you all very soon.